So here's the deal. So obviously the light's working, but here's the problem. So out of the light itself, it's obviously going to have, it's a two-sided light. So it's going to have two greens coming out, two yellows, two reds. And it does have two grounds, which you see, oops, right there. But here's the weird part of the whole thing. The resistor thing obviously work. I got them in parallel, looks great, all that good stuff. But here's the deal. So right now, if we look at it, I have the black going to the ground, and what's completing the circuit, so there's the plus, so the purple line going to the plus side, that's 5 volts, getting knocked down by the resistors to like 2 volts. But anyway, so notice it's the black lines coming from the positive side that are then going into the traffic light and then coming back out of the red, and the red will only work if it's grounded. So that's the problem, because 13 right now I have power, and it's coming out of the Arduino, so port 13. The problem is that I really need to have, well, frankly, I need these two lines switched, because the black or the red should be here and the black should be over there, or at least one of them, to connect and go ahead and complete the circuit. Otherwise, I don't know how to turn this, well, on. So I'm going to pause this for a moment, switch the wires so that the red should be from the positive side. And of course, you're going to know it, the LED is one directional when it comes to electricity flow. So I'll show you here in a second. Okay, so now all I've done is, again, positive line coming in here. Then I have the reds being controlled. So this would be controlled by this line, and that's exactly what I want. So I want it being controlled by, because these have 5-volt outputs. So the voltage is going, it's on, it's to the reds. But obviously notice it's not lighting up, even though I got the grounds in the right spot for, let me double check one spot. No, they're both in the right spot to go ahead and light it up. So I'm stuck, because otherwise all of the different ones will have to be on the other way. This one I can't control individually, which is obviously negates the point, because the LED is basically backwards. So, and it's only controlled by one line per side of the traffic light. So I'm at a loss. I don't know if I need an inverter or something like that, but the original setup, then I would have to make these all switch to ground, which I can't do because they're all 5-volt displays or whatever outputs, I should say. So I don't have that privilege. So that's where I'm at a loss.